My name is Richard. So, bago tayo magsimula, I would like to thank all of you for watching the 21st anniversary of the Magicians Foundation Corporate. And I think that you all deserve a lot of applause. I am here to present a branch of magic, which is called Mentalism. Mentalism deals with the power o yung sinasabi nila kapamilitan. This is a simple demonstration. I have this heart. So, kung hindi lang namin siya, wala mangyayari. Pero, in mentalism, I have the power to do this. So, in mentalism, I have the power to perceive or see. O yung makayari na kagabi. So, are you ready? Witness of the power. So, before I start, I need a lucky coach. Bibigis mo tayo dito. Sige na. Hindi na lang ako for princess. So, princess, gusto ko lang siguro gawin na wala akong prepare sa loob. Hindi na tayo nakakala. Tama ba? Thank you for watching.